Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Alley Cat. Have you ever been invited to join a Discord server? Maybe you don't know exactly what a Discord server is or why you would want to use it, or maybe you recently joined a server because a friend asked you to and you really don't know what to do next. Well, this video is for you. We're going to cover all of the Discord basics. Now, if you've been using Discord for a while, you probably won't learn anything new, but maybe you can share this video with a friend. We're going to cover what Discord is, why you would want to use it, how to access Discord, setting up an account, navigating through channels, role assignments, and much more. I'll have timestamps in the description so you can jump to what's important to you. Let's get into it. So what is Discord? Discord is a free app that was made with gamers in mind. It has voice chat services like Skype or TeamSpeak if you're familiar with those, and it also has text chat. And quite honestly, even today, a lot of game chat still lags behind what Discord was able to do. So Discord has very high quality voice chat, but it's also a place where you can come when you're not gaming and just have that community vibe and just chat with other people that are in the Discord about topics that you may have in common. There are different types of Discord servers. It's actually free to create a Discord server, so you could create a private server for you and a group of your friends, or you could find public community Discord servers that are searchable online, and anyone that has the invite link can be invited and can join that server. So speaking of public community Discord servers, this is a great time to let you all know that this video is sponsored by public Discord community server Golden Floppy Disk. GFD is a gaming server for grown-ups who want to play games and chat with other grown-ups. It is an 18+ server of mature and friendly folks who like to play the objectives of games and have fun. They also do more casual activities and chat about tech as well. If you think it might be a good fit, feel free to head over and join. There's a large active Fortnite community, as well as members that play Minecraft, COD, Escape from Tarkov, Diablo, Destiny, Apex, Counter-Strike, and more. Community events are also hosted, as well as giveaways. So if that sounds like the community for you, we'd love to have you. When somebody invites you to Discord, they need to send you a Discord link, or they may send you to a website. Some Discord servers, some of the larger community Discord servers, may have what's called a vanity URL, where the name will be more easily recognizable. For example, discord.gg golden floppy disk, for example, would be a vanity URL. Others have a random string of letters and numbers. It'll start with discord.gg followed by that string. So these are safe to click on, and that will direct you to that Discord server. If you already have an account or you have the app downloaded, it will go ahead and bounce you right into that server. What we're going to do here is we're going to use Golden Floppy Disk as an example. So their website is gfdgaming.com. And if you were to go to that website, you can read all about the mission, contact information, but right on the main page there is a button to join their Discord. So if we click here, it's going to invite you to sign in, assuming that you're not already signed in. So let's go ahead and walk through the registration process, assuming that you don't have an account. Now, if you already created a Discord account, then you would log in here with your email and your password and click login. But let's go ahead and register. We'll see if Alley Cat Games is available. So here's the other thing about usernames in Discord. They don't have to be unique, because Discord is going to append a 4-digit code after your username to make it unique. Password. Make sure you choose a strong password that's not easily guessable. Guys, it's 2022. Please stop making password and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 your password. Please, okay? We'll go ahead and just put in a date of birth. And we'll do continue. Verify that you are human. And just like that, your account is created. So at this point, it's giving you the option to create your first Discord server. You can actually create your own server for free and have your own friends join. But if you're not ready to do that, then you can simply skip over that and click on join a server. So this is where you would put in the invite link. And look at that, we are in. Notice that it says you must verify your account before you can send messages in this server. So whatever account you use to sign up, make sure you go and look for that verification email. Sometimes the messages are marked as spam, but you should have a message from Discord. Verify your email address for Discord and simply click on verify email. Once you're verified, you can continue to Discord. There are a few different ways you can access Discord. You can access it by a web browser, by a mobile app on your phone, or also by an app you can download on your PC. So what I'm showing you here is a mirror of my iPhone. I think it's pretty much the same on an Android phone. So I want to show you the mobile interface as well as the web interface. So let's go ahead and go through the navigation. So I am signed in and I'm only a part of one server. So on the far left, you have all of the servers. So if you wanted to add another Discord server, you could go ahead and do that there, and then you would go through the process of putting in the invite link. I'm only in one server for the time being, so that shows up here. So this is the server that I'm on, and then moving over a little bit to the right, you see the channels that are a part of that server. Most channels will drop you into a rules or a general channel for starters, so especially public community discords, they usually have rules. It's good to read through those, make sure you understand the vibe and be able to read the room before you just jump in and start communicating. You want to make sure that you're not breaking any rules. And then over on the far right, you have the people that are online or active in that server. So if we take a look at the rules for this server, you know, and most of the rules can generally be summarized as don't be a jerk, right? So you would read through the rules, and then you can start to navigate to different channel. Now notice I can't type anything in this channel. This is a read only channel. So if I try to type anything down here, I don't have permission to do so. A lot of servers also have the ability to self-assign roles. And so what that is you have roles when you come into server, like there are more advanced permission roles like your moderators and your administrators, but there are also roles that you can self-assign yourself so that you can get notifications when people send information about those specific roles. So for example, I may want to assign myself the Fortnite role. And so I simply react to that message to get the role, and the little blue F is Fortnite. So I simply click on that, and now I have the Fortnite role. And so what that means is that if anybody sends a message to everybody that has that role of Fortnite, I will get a notification. Let's go down to the general. Now, speaking of notifications, notice this little red one by the general channel. That means that there's a new message in that channel that I have not read yet. So let's go ahead and see what that message is. It is my welcome message. So I was welcomed to the server. It tells me to pick up some roles and self-assign, which I already did. Also type role help in chat for a guide on selecting roles. So I kind of already showed you that, but some servers come with commands that you can try. So let's go ahead and type in that command just to see what happens. Role help. And as we can see, it has a little walkthrough to tell you how to assign the roles. Now, every server doesn't have this. Every server is set up differently, but this is just kind of a general guide that you can apply to any server that you're in. So let's shift our focus for a minute to what the interface looks like on mobile. I'm logged in here with my main account, and as you can see, I'm a part of a ton of Discord servers. So on the left again, you have all of the servers that you are a part of, so you can navigate through those servers. And so there's a little indicator to show which server you're on. So this little white bar means I'm on golden floppy disk. It also tells you up at the top here. And then so all of the channels that you see are channels that are a part of that server. If I wanted to switch to a different server, I simply click on that server on my phone, and now I'm seeing different channels that are a part of that different server. And then you kind of work your way from left to right as far as migration goes. So let's go back to golden floppy disk. And I want to go to the general channel, so I'll scroll up. I see general, and it's bold, so that means that there's a new message there. Notice that there's not the red one. The red one means I was called out specifically, right? And so that message called out Alley Cat Games, and so there was a red one there to let me know that there was a message that was specifically targeting me. Otherwise, it'll just be bold to let you know that there's a message there. So I'll click on general, and then we can see the same messages that we saw on the web interface. And so if I wanted to respond, notice that where it says message general down here at the bottom, it is not grayed out like it was when I was in the rules channel. Hi, everyone. And I can simply type that message. So for this next portion, I figured I would show you the desktop app. As you can see, it's really not that different from the web browser version we have, or the mobile version for that matter. We have our servers that we are a member of on the far left. Then you navigate with the channels and then the actual content, and then over on the far right are the members of that channel. One thing that you'll see on a lot of community Discord servers, especially in the gaming genre, is looking for groups. A lot of people join Discords because they are looking for people to play the same game that they're playing. So for example, under looking for group, we have an Apex looking for group, a COD looking for group, so on and so forth. So because when we did that role selection, I selected Fortnite, remember that self-role assignment? Anytime somebody pings Fortnite in this channel, it's as if they are pinging me directly. Another thing to understand about Discords is the ranks, roles, and the leveling system. And so your community Discords are going to have administrators, they're going to have moderators. Those are people that have elevated permissions in the server, whether it is to mute, timeout, or ban bad actors, send invites. Sometimes people need a higher level of permission to post in certain channels or to even see certain channels. And so how do you level up in Discord? It's simple. It's done just by chatting, just by being interactive. Don't try to spam the Discord with a bunch of messages to level up, because the algorithm is smart enough to detect too many frequent messages and you won't get points for those anyway. You can always check your levels, and most Discords use this command, not all of them, by exclamation rank. And you type that and it gives you your rank and your level, and it shows you the amount of XP that you need to get to the next level. And so I have, whatever permissions come with that. And like I said, they're different for every server, but that's how you would check to know what your rank is. Now, let's say you wanted to join a voice channel. Different servers handle this differently. Some servers will have a voice channels section, and so I can simply click on this channel to join. However, based on the subject, it looks like they're playing a game of Tarkov, and I don't want to interrupt that. Some servers allow you to set up your own channels, and so notice this server has joined to create, and so I simply click here. And I created my own channel, and so I'm the only one in this channel right now. If somebody else was to join this channel, we would hear them as well. Down here at the bottom, I have the option to mute or deafen. Notice when I'm talking, a green highlight comes around my name, so we know that my channel is active, that sound is being received, and so it's a good visual indicator that you're talking in the channel as well. Also, you can stream through Discord, and so if I wanted to share my screen through Discord, I could go ahead and do that. When you're done with a channel, you simply disconnect from the channel, like so, by clicking on the disconnect button. And now that channel is gone away. Okay, so now that you know how to navigate through Discord, maybe you're getting a little bit too many pings and too many notifications throughout the day. Sometimes the level of notifications that are set by the server may not match what you actually want. So you may decide that you don't want pings or notifications on specific channels. So you can get really granular with that. So for example, and I'm back on the desktop app, maybe I don't want a notification every time somebody posts a message in the general channel. And so I will right click on this and I will change my notification settings to nothing. I could change it to all messages, and then every time somebody posts a message in the notifications channel, it will show up with a ping for me. I can change it to @mentions, and so that's when somebody mentions either my name specifically or a role that I am a part of, for example, that @Fortnite role. Right now I have it set to nothing, so we'll leave it there. So there you have it. Now you know how to navigate around Discord. You understand the roles, the ranks, how to sign in. I think that's about it to get you all started on Discord. Let me know in the comments if I covered everything, if I missed anything, if there was anything else that you would like to see covered. Let's go.